In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make coins in Geometry Dash. Now, making coins or finding coins is relatively easy on Geometry Dash. You simply want to head over to this points potion icon right here, which will then take us to the consumables tab. And from here, you can then put coins the way you want to. Now, basically, if you click on this tab right here or on this item, you will be able to place this specific coin 3 times. Now, if you do player level right here, basically this will not increase your coins on your account unless your level gets featured. Now, if you want to increase the collection of coins, you can simply use another one, which is going to be another coin tool. So once again, head over to the build tool, and from here you then want to use this one. And basically you can place this as many as you want to. And if you want to add some functionality into these coins, you can then click on the edit special button. And from here, you can then add an effect on these items or on these coins. But basically, they do function the same thing where you can gather them as a coin. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.